Hi friends, Assalamu alaikum. You are welcome to my channel Nasib IT. Friends, today in this video I will show you how to design this business card easily by using Photoshop. So let's start the video. So friends, first of all we have to set up a page. To do it, we have to click on here. Then we have to select inches from here. Then we have to click on this box. Then we have to type here 3.5. Then we have to click on this box and type here 2. Then we have to click on this box and select all text from here, then type here 300. Then you have to click on the OK. Then we have to select the pen tool. Then we have to click on here. Then we have to click on here and draw a curve. Then we have to click on here and draw a curve again. After that, we have to press and hold the Alt key and we have to click on the anchor point. Then we have to click on here, 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 and here. Then we have to select the move tool. Then we have to select the pen tool again. Then we have to click on here. Then we have to click on here and draw a curve. Then we have to click on here and draw a curve again. Then we have to press and hold the Alt key. Then we have to click on here, 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 and here. Then we have to click on the fill color. Then we have to click on here. Then select the red color from here. Then click on the OK. Then select the move tool. Then we have to drag and drop this layer under this layer. Now we have to select this layer. Then press and hold the shift key and increase the size of this. Then we have to click on the tick mark again. Now we have to select the pen tool again. Then we have to click on here. Then we have to click on here and draw a curve. Then we have to click on here and draw a curve again. Then we have to press and hold the Alt key. Then we have to click on here, and here, 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 and here. Then we have to click on the fill color. Then click on here. Then select the blue color from here. Then click on the OK. Then you have to drag and drop this layer under all layers. After that, we have to select this layer. Then you have to right click on this layer. Then click on the blending option. Then you have to click on the gradient overlay. Then you have to select liner gradient from this box. Then you have to click on here. Then you have to click on the blue. Then you have to select this color. Then we have to click on the OK. OK. Now we have to select this layer. Then we have to right click on this layer. Then click on the blending option. Then click on the gradient overlay. Now we have to click on this box. Then we have to scroll down from here. Then we have to click on the orange. Then we have to select this color from here. Then we have to click on the OK. Now we have to select this layer. Then right click on this layer. Then click on the blending option. Then click on the gradient overlay. Click on this box. Then scroll down from here. Then click on the orange. Then we have to select this color. Then we have to click on here. Then click on the color. Then select this color. Then we have to click on the OK. After that, we have to select this. Then we have to press and hold the Alt key and take copy from this. Then we have to zoom on the screen. Then we have to click on here. Then right click on this layer. Then click on the flip horizontal. Then we have to click on the flip vertical. Then we have to rotate this. Then we have to decrease the size. After that, we have to click on the tick mark. Then you have to right click on this layer. Then click on the blending option. Then click on the gradient overlay. Then click on here. Then click on the orange. Then select this color. Then you have to click on here. Then click on the color. Then select this color. Then click on the OK. Then you have to drag and drop this in here. Then you have to drag and drop this in here. Then you have to click on the OK. we have to click on the OK again. Now our business card design has been completed. Now we have to design the other things of the business card. So look at the screen attentively. After open all icons, we have to set this icon in our business card. After that, we have to select the text tool. Then we have to click on here and write your number in here. Then we have to select all text. Then we have to decrease the size of this text. Then you have to click on here, then select the black color. Then you have to click on the OK. Then select the move tool. Then you have to select the text tool again. Then you have to click on here and write your email in here. Then you have to select the move tool again. Now we have to select the text tool again. Then we have to click on here and write your website name in here. Then you have to click on the tick mark. Then you have to select text tool again. Then you have to click on here and write your location in here. Then you have to click on the tick mark. Then you have to zoom out the screen. Then you have to select this layer. Then you have to click on the lock icon. Then you have to select this. Then click on the lock icon again. Then you have to select this. Then you have to click on the lock icon. Then you have to select these layers. These layers. Then you have to decrease the size of these layers. Then we have to click on the tick mark. After that, we have to open the profile icon. Then we have to drag and drop this icon in our business card. After that, we have to click on the tick mark. Then we have to select the text tool. Then we have to click on here and write your name in here. Then we have to click on the tick mark. Then we have to select the move tool. Then increase the size of this text. After that, we have to select a profile icon. Then we have to increase the size of this icon. After increase the size, we have to click on the tick mark. Then we have to select this icon. Then right click on this icon. Then click on the blending option. Then we have to click on the gradient overlay. Then we have to click on the OK. Then we have to select the shape tool. Then we have to right click on this. Then we have to select the rounded rectangle tool from here. Then we have to draw this shape in here. Then we have to select the move tool. Then we have to select this. Then we have to click on that lock icon again. Then we have to select these layers. Then we have to select this. Then drag and drop this in here. After that, we have to set our logo in our business card. So I am opening my logo from my PC. After set the logo, we have to click on the tick mark. Then we have to select the text tool again. Then we have to click on here and write your company name in here. Then we have to select all text from here. Then we have to click on here. Then we have to select the white color, the orange color. Then we have to click on the OK. Then we have to select the move tool. Then we have to increase the size of this text. Then we have to right click on this layer. Then click on the blending option. Then we have to click on the stroke. Then we have to increase the size of the stroke. Then we have to select the white color. Then we have to click on the OK. Now we have to double click on here. Then we have to click on here. Then we have to select this font style, then we have to click on the OK. Then we have to increase the size again, then we have to click on the tick mark. Now our business card design has been completed. Now we have to set this business card in a mockup. So I am opening a mockup from my PC. After opening the mockup, we have to double click on here. Then we have to select all layers from here. Then we have to click on the backspace. Then we have to back to the project. Then we have to unlock these layers. Then we have to select all layers. Then we have to drag and drop this layer in here. Then we have to set this business card in here. After set the business card, we have to click on the tick mark. Then we have to press Ctrl+S button from keyboard. Now you can see the final result. So friends, if this video is useful to you, please like and share this video and subscribe my channel to get more videos. Thanks for watching the video. Allah Hafiz.